pagdiriwang ng Artificial Intelligence Fest ngayong taon ating pag-uusapan. Kasama si Engineer Rowan R. Gilonga, Regional Director ng DOST Region 6 at Chairman ng 2025 AI Fest, at si Keith Dean Sara B. Bernardino, Assistant Regional Director for Technical Operations ng DOST Region 6. Engineer Gilonga at Ma'am Bernardino, magandang tanghali po. Welcome sa Bagong Pilipinas ngayon.
Magandang tanghali, Sir Joshua. Magandang tanghali also sa kay Yusek March at sa aking mga kababayan.
Magandang tanghali din sa inyong lahat, Sir Joshua and Yusek March.
Alright. Sir, Madam, pakipaliwanag niyo nga po sa amin itong layunin, itong nalalapit na 2025 Artificial Intelligence Fest at saan at kailan po ito gaganapin?
Thank you, Sir Joshua. Siguro, I'll start with the basic information ng ating 2025 AI or Artificial Intelligence Fest. This will be conducted this coming August 11 to 13, 2025. At ang venue po nito will be yung ICON or the Iloilo Convention Center. At ito pong ating AI Festival is one of the major strategies ng Department of Science and Technology. Kasama na po natin dyan yung ating mga partner agencies as well as organizations in order to really become more prepared for the utilization of AI for the benefit po ng ating mga kababayan. So masasabi po natin na itong ating AI Festival or AI Fest 2025 is our response to the call of our President who mentioned and who pronounced na kailangan po natin gamitin yung artificial intelligence or AI in order to uplift the lives of our fellow Filipinos, in order to increase the productivity of society, as well as enhance the economic competitiveness of the country. At ito po ang layunin ng ating AI Fest. At kasama po natin dyan, as part of our festival, will be four activities. No? So mayroon po tayong AI Technical Conference, where we have invited a lot of speakers who will be talking about the different dimensions of AI in public governance, in health, in business and industry, and others. We will also be having an AI hackathon. Ito naman po ay intended for our students, both in high school and college. And the intention of this is really to for them to build their capability para po gamitin ang AI in solving yung ating pong mga problema sa ating society. And we will also be having, of course, for the first time ever, no? We will be having a Silly AI, which is a sort of a workshop as well as a competition in how to responsibly use AI in producing our creative works, particularly films. No? And finally, yung ating pong AI Fest 2025 will also involve an AI exhibits. So dito po isi-showcase natin yung iba't ibang mga local and even international companies as well as organizations that are having products and services related to AI. So in a nutshell po, ito po yung ating activity. And again, this will be held this coming August 11 to 13 here in Iloilo. And may I also request my companion, no, si A.R.D. Kiflin, to also discuss some of the details of this upcoming activity. Salamat po.
Okay, Ms. Bernardino po. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, napakalaki po ng event po pala na ito, no? Maari po ba namin malaman ano ang dahilan sa likod ng pagbuo ng Artificial Intelligence Festival sa Iloilo City at ano nga po ba ulit ang tema nito?
Okay. Again, thank you po sa pag-imbita sa amin to explain po and promote po yung AI Fest. So yung AI Fest po is our, kumbaga, effort to develop and strengthen po yung AI industry dito sa Philippines. And it will serve also as a platform where all regions, all sectors, academe, government, private institutions will converge and share best practices and also build AI agenda for our country. So yung mga discussions na mag-arise during the AI Fest at yung mga inputs nila will become an input to our AI agenda. So ang isa pang layunin natin also is to increase public awareness sa AI, no, na dapat hindi katakutan ng AI but rather maging open sa pag-learn ng AI at kung paano natin gagamitin ang AI sa daily activities natin sa work, sa education and all parts of our activities, no. So yung ating pong yung ating theme ay coding a better future, responsible AI for cities and communities. So again, yung ating pong theme ay coding a better future, responsible AI for cities and communities. So bakit po ito yung ating tema? So nandito na po ang AI, pero kung paano po natin siyang gagamitin ay hindi pa po natin na pag-uusapan at kailangan pa nating i-promote. So kaya po pinopromote po ng AI Fest yung responsible and ethical na paggamit ng AI sa various sectors, sa education, sa research and development, as well as sa ating mga industries. No, so yun po, Ma'am Marge, yung layunin ng ating AI Fest.
Alright. Kay engineer naman po, sir, nabanggit po ni Ms. Bernardino yung responsible use of AI. Napapanahon po ito lalo't patuloy at mabilis na lumalawak yung AI landscape dito sa ating bansa. Pero dito po sa aktibidad na gaganapin natin, ano po yung kaibahan ng 2025 AI Fest sa ibang mga AI events at ano po yung mga inaasahang aktibidad sa event na ito maliban po dun sa mga nabanggit ninyo? Tututok ba ito dun mismo dun sa responsableng paggamit ng AI?
Tama po yan, Sir Joshua, no? At I would like to again reiterate na yung tema po ng ating AI Festival is really responsible AI for cities and communities. At ito po ay nag-aalay sa sinabi po ng ating Pangulo during the ASEAN Summit na kailangan po natin i-pursue at i-promote talaga ang ethical and responsible use of artificial intelligence. Alam naman po natin na yung artificial intelligence, just like any other technologies, have both a good and a bad side. Pwede po siyang gamitin sa kasamaan, pwede po siyang gamitin for purposes that undermine the welfare, particularly of the Filipino people. So gusto po natin emphasize dito na yung AI is a tool and also a companion na kailangan po responsibly at ethical yung paggamit sa kanya so that this will be used for the benefit of the Filipino people. Hindi po yung gagamitin natin sa kasamaan yung itong mga teknolohiya na ganito. So yan po yung paulit-ulit natin na i-emphasize sa ating AI Festival, whether sa hackathon or sa ating Cine AI, yung ating workshop on filmmaking using AI as a support technology. Sa atin po mga exhibits at sa atin po mga technical conference, palagi po natin i-emphasize yan, yung AI dapat gamitin natin responsibly and ethically para ma-address natin yung iba't ibang mga problema na kinakaharap natin not only as a Filipino nation, but also as a member of the global community. Let us not forget na yung AI talaga, pag tama at wasto yung ating paggamit, napakalaki po ng maitutulong nito sa ating ekonomiya. Malaki po yung maitutulong nito sa tugon sa ating mga challenges in terms of health and welfare of our Filipino countrymen. Magagamit po natin ito in further improving the delivery of public services at through AI, kung tama at saka responsible yung ating paggamit nito, ito po ay makakatulong sa pag-enhance ng market competitiveness ng ating business and industry sector. So ito po yung layunin talaga ng ating AI Festival. Naiiba po ito sa mga dati nating ginagawa ng mga activities sa AI kasi ito, marami siyang activities talaga. Hindi lang tinitingnan natin yung science and technology ng AI, no? But we are also looking into the social and ethical dimension, and we are even emphasizing that AI can actually be used to support the creative industry. No? So ito po yung ating kaibahan sa ating mga previous activities sa AI And this is the reason why we are really promoting this one to be participated not only by our researchers, but also by our local government and national government officials, as well as by the academe and the private sector, Sir Joshua.
Engineer, maliban po doon sa nabanggitin nyo na responsible use of AI at sa kung paano ito makakatulong sa ating ekonomiya, sa tingin nyo po ba ito ay makakatulong din sa ating publiko? Lalo na po sa mga ordinaryong Pilipino na hindi naman ganun ka-tech savvy, na hindi rin marunong gumagamit ng AI, makakatulong ba sa kanila ito para tumaas yung kanilang kamalayan, para malaman kung ano yung peke sa hindi? Dahil ngayon, lalo na sa social media, nagkalat ng mga AI videos na ginagamit sa maling paraan.
Tama po yan, Sir Joshua, no? At in fact, kami sa Western Visayas, we have already our own regional action plan for AI. At kasama po sa aming strategy dito is really reaching out to the general public, no? And emphasize that AI, just like any other technology, has a good side and bad side, as I have mentioned just a while ago. At kailangan po natin sa general public na maintindihan na ito po ay dapat natin gamitin lamang para sa wastong pamamaraan. No? Kasi pag ito po ay ginamit sa maling pamamaraan, imbis na makakatulong po ito sa atin, imbis po na tayo ay uunlad bilang isang nasyon, ay lalo po tayo mahirapan na makamtan yung ating mga social and economic aspirations. No? So tama po kayo dyan. Yung ating AI Festival is also a very good platform for us to reach out to the general public, to the ordinary Filipinos, and inform them na yung AI is not, it's not lang yung deepfake, yung mga fake na mga video na pinapapakalat natin, but yung AI po ay napaka-useful sa agrikultura, useful sa pagpapaunlad ng ating ekonomiya, very useful po sa health and welfare ng ating mga kababayan. Sir Joshua and Ma'am Marge.
Okay, para kay Ms. Bernardino, ma'am, pwede niyo po bang ipaliwanag sa amin kung ano po yung magaganap at yung detalye po sa AI Hackathon? Medyo curious po ako dito. Sino-sino po yung pwedeng lumahok at kailan po ba yung deadline ng submission ng mga nais mag-apply? At ma'am, totoo bang merong hacking na mangyayari?
Okay. So yung AI Hackathon po is open po for senior high school students to college students. So kailangan nilang mag-form ng team. At least 3 po yung members to 5, maximum of 5 yung members. And open po to sa lahat ng student teams from all over the country. So yung mangyayari po ay sasubmit sila ng project concept na anchored po sa mga tema namin. Yung tema namin ay Blue Economy, Renewable Energy, Health, and so on. No? So kailangan meron silang problem na gustong isolve. And then paano nila isosolve? Through the use of AI. So mag-develop sila ng solution using AI sa mga problema under these themes. So pag sinabi mo kasing hackathon, it's not always a bad thing, no? Hackathon is like a competition. It's like an event wherein people gather together and mag-create or mag-develop ng systems or ng mga applications that will solve mga real-world problems. For example, if you have problem related to agriculture, so paano kaya masosolve ng AI? O ano kayang mga applications na pwede nating i-develop? For example, to monitor yung growth ng isang crop, mga ganun mga bagay. So hackathon is a gathering of all skilled na mga individuals capable of programming, capable of developing applications and tools that will solve real-world problems. So yun yung mangyayari. And sabi ko nga, open to sa mga student teams. Yung gagawin lang nila is go to aifest.ph, yung ating pong website, and check out kung ano yung mga guidelines natin. No? So they have to submit a project concept and of course yung profile ng kanilang members. And yun, magsasubmit sila on or before June 27 na yung deadline. So dun din nila isasubmit sa aifest.ph na website. Available din doon lahat ng form. So they also need to submit yung parents' consent if you are a student to ensure na inallow ka ng parents mo to participate in the AI hackathon. So this AI hackathon will be held here in Iloilo City. So inclusive na yung food during the hackathon. For 3 days, they will be housed in one venue. And yung gagawin lang nila talaga is to code and develop AI applications. So yun po, Miss Marge, ang AI hackathon.
Okay. Ma'am, one follow-up question lang po, and I think it's the most important for this event. Ma'am, magkano po ang grand prize?
Ay, ang grand prize, medyo malaki. For first place, yung best natin na AI solution, 50,000. Second place po is 30,000. And third place is 15,000.
Alright, kay Engineer Gilonga po. Sir, ano po yung mga topics sa pag-uusapan sa gaganaping AI Technical Conference? At sa parte naman po ito, paano po yung registration at may registration fee po ba para makasali?
Well, unahin po, Sir Joshua, yung registration fee, well, unfortunately, we will be charging registration fee of 5,000 pesos for those who will be attending the technical conference. No? Kasi kulang po tayo sa budget, kasama na po dyan yung ating mga partner organizations also, and we decided that we will come up with a registration fee for the technical conference only. However, for those who will be visiting the exhibits at the Iloilo Center, wala pong bayad yung pumasok sa ating exhibits at tumingin at kumausap sa ating iba't ibang mga exhibitors. Yung ating technical conference naman, as mentioned, ngayon po tayo mga plenary lectures, and since this is a technical conference, yung malaking portion po nito, yung technical portion, will also involve the presentation ng mga research outputs ng ating mga researchers dito sa Pilipinas related to AI. And we expect that this will be going on for 3 days. But for our plenary sessions, we have a very good mix of invited speakers coming from not only the government, but also coming from the universities, of course, as well as from the private sector. So we are happy that yung ating pong AI Festival is being co-organized by the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, by our state universities here in Western Visayas, and of course by other private organizations that are also supporting the development of AI. And I'm also glad to mention that ito pong ating AI and Analytics Association of the Philippines, yung AAP, is also a major partner for this event, Sir Joshua.
Okay. Sir, ma'am, mensahe at paanyaya niyo na lang po sa ating mga kababayan para sa po natin si Engineer Gilonga and followed by Ms. Bernardino.
Sa ating pong mga kababayan, we are inviting you to attend the first ever, yung 2025 AI Festival natin, which is a gathering of all stakeholders that are involved in artificial intelligence. Yung sabi nga namin, it is immaterial whether you like AI or you hate AI. Yung importante po is that we have this realization na andito na siya and it affects our daily lives. And therefore, the purpose of this festival or of this gathering is really to emphasize how we can responsibly and ethically use AI for maximizing its possible benefit to the Filipino people. And also, to minimize yung possible na negative effect nito, not only for us, but for other people also. And so, if you are a researcher, if you are somebody working with the national government or with the local government units, if you are with the business and industry sector, if you are with the academic, or if you are just any other Filipino who is interested in AI, visit Iloilo. Iloilo is such a beautiful city. It is one of our most livable cities. And you will not only enjoy the conference and the event, but you will also enjoy the warm hospitality of the Ilocanos. So, kadto na sa Iloilo, August 11 to 13.
Sa akin naman po, inaanyayahan ko po ang lahat na interesado na talakay o pag-usapan ang AI. So ito na po yung oportunidad para mapag-usapan natin yung issues, opportunities, and challenges po ng AI sa iba't ibang sektor at industriya dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. So inaanyayahan ko rin po ang mga students natin kung gusto niyo pong ma-develop ang inyong pang skills on AI and in filmmaking, join the various competitions yung AI hackathon natin and get a chance or opportunity to be mentored by experts, no, not just in the academe but also in the industry. Same din po sa Cine AI or sa filmmaking natin na workshop. Get a chance to be trained by a well-known na mga film directors and filmmakers, no. So this is our opportunity na to learn and to learn how to ethically use AI in all of our activities and in our crafts as well. We will be having a pre-event activities this July. On July 14, we will have a Cine AI talk wherein we will be discussing yung mga issues and concerns, opportunities of AI in the creative industry. We will be inviting film directors and AI experts who will talk about these issues. And we will also be tackling the topic on AI ethics on July 14 here in Iloilo City at West Visayas State University and DepDev Region 6, no? And also yung workshop will be conducted on July 16 to 18, 2025, yung Cine AI workshop natin with a famous na film director, no? So, again, I'm inviting all the students to submit their applications on June 27, 2025 and get this, kumbaga, this is the only chance for you to be trained for free, no, by our known na film directors as well as mga AI experts. So again, I invite everyone to participate in this endeavor. Come to Iloilo and get this opportunity to learn. Thank you.
Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong oras, Engineer Rowan R. Gilonga, Regional Director ng DOST Region 6 at Chairman ng 2025 AI Fest, at kay Ms. Keithlyn Sara B. Bernardino, Assistant Regional Director for Technical Operations ng DOST Region 6. Maraming salamat po.